Happy Friday. Today's our last day. We'll start with our rhyme production. Remember, I'll say the words, you repeat them, and then you try to come up with 1, 2, or even 3 words that rhyme with those words, okay? Let's try it. Blow snow. I'm trying to think of some too. Okay, maybe you thought of grow, know, sow, toe. We have blow, snow, go, throw. Quite a few of those. Okay, next one. Hair, care. Okay, some ones I thought of were bear, share, stare, hill, will. Okay, some words that rhyme with hill and will might be ill, still, bill, mill, chill. Last one, rain, cane. Okay, train, shane, brain, main. Okay, so now we're doing onset fluency. Remember, I'll say the 2 words, you repeat them. If they start with the beginnings with the same sound, then thumbs up. If they start with a different sound, thumbs down. Vase, vein. Yep, they both start with v. Wolf, wood. They both start with w. Thumbs up, good job. Empty, olive. Thumbs down. App, axe. They both start with a. Heart, mask. No, don't start the same. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes. I will do it first, and then I will do it again, and this time you do it. Okay? H-u-g, hug. Fun. K-t, cut. D-u-k, duck. H-u-t, hut. Okay, we're isolating the medial sound, which is that middle sound. K-am. A. V. Et. E. W. Il. I. D. All. A. N. Ut. A. Good job. Okay, we're segmenting, so get out your choppers. I'll say the word and segment it, and then you say it and segment it, okay? Man, a, Ram, a, Wag, w-a-g. Sat, s-at. Fat, f-at. Okay, I'm going to add a phoneme at the beginning and then go like this, and you blend those together, okay? We're starting with ed. Add f, to the beginning to make. Ed, fed. We have et, add p to the beginning to make. Pet. We have n, add h to the beginning to make. Hen. We have egg, add b to the beginning to make. Beg. We have egg, add o to the beginning to make. Leg. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to delete that initial phoneme. We have the word hid without h. What's left? Id. We have the word rip without What's left? Ip. We have the word sit without s. What's left? It. We have the word pig without p. What's left? Ig. We have the word Kim without k. What's left? Im. Very good. Almost done. We're substituting. We have the word job, change j to s. And what's the word? Sob. We have the word sob, change s to k. And what's the word? Cob. We have the word cob, change k to and what's the word? Rob. We have the word rob, change to b, and what's the word? Bob. We have the word bob, change b to j, and what's the word? Job. Good job. This day is choosing your favorite nursery rhyme. So I'm not going to stay on for that. You can just pick one that you like and that you remember and go ahead and say it for yourself. All right, I'll see you on Monday.